Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the P1058930-001 front control panel for the Zebra ZT410 thermal label printer. If you're experiencing issues with your ZT410's display or buttons, this genuine Zebra replacement panel could be the perfect solution to get your printer back up and running smoothly. This panel is specifically designed for the ZT410 model, and it's compatible with all resolutions: 203 dpi, 300 dpi, and 600 dpi. It's important to note that this particular panel is not compatible with the newer ZT411 printer, so be sure to double-check your printer model before ordering. The part number you're looking for is P1058930-001. The package includes the ZT410 front control panel as pictured. Installation should be relatively straightforward, but if you're not comfortable working with printer components, it's always best to consult a qualified technician. One of the best things about this replacement panel is that it's a genuine Zebra part. This ensures optimal compatibility and performance with your ZT410 printer. Plus, it comes with a 3-month warranty, giving you peace of mind in case of any defects. The seller also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a great perk, as it allows you to try out the panel and return it for a full refund if you're not completely satisfied for any reason. It's always reassuring to know that you have that option. The panel utilizes USB connectivity technology and thermal printing technology, as expected for this type of printer component. It's network-ready, meaning it will integrate seamlessly with your existing printer setup. The printer output is monochrome, which is standard for label printers. The item weighs in at 0.3 kilograms. Overall, the P1058930-001 front control panel is a reliable and cost-effective way to repair your Zebra ZT410 printer. The genuine Zebra quality, warranty, and money-back guarantee make it a worthwhile investment. If your ZT410's control panel is acting up, this replacement is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.